Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up and use the arrow trend SOFR indicator for MT4 effectively. Okay, so you have to go to the Forex Geek website. You're gonna see the link in the description. Okay, go to the website, just follow the link, download the indicator, and then you go to your MT4 indicators folder and you add the file there. After you've done that, you just go back to your MT4 terminal, open data folder. Okay, once you have added the indicator to your folder, indicators folder, there's no need to come back to this data folder because this is the process you need. Let me just show you quickly. Open data folder. This is when you want to add the indicator file. All right, when you want to add the indicator file, you just open data folder, you go to MQL4, and then you go to indicators. Okay, so this is where you're going to add the indicator file. All right, so but once you have done that already, when you come back to your MT4 terminal, you just have to come to this navigator, right click, and refresh. Okay, so now we're going to look for the arrow trend SOFR. Now this is the arrow trend SOFR. Just drag and drop. This is the okay. This is your properties, right? The settings. You have to ensure that this allow DLL imports box is checked. There are no any other special custom settings. Okay, you just have to ensure that this is checked, and then you have to modify the colors if you wish, the blue and the red colors. That's all. There is no any other customizable settings. Okay, so after doing that, all you just have to watch out for are the signal arrows. That's all, right? But it's important that you combine these signals with candlestick and chart pattern confirmations, okay, and maybe any other indicator confirmation that you wish to use, right? These are the signals. When you get a blue arrow, of course, it's a buy signal, and when you get a red arrow, it's a sell signal, right? Red arrow, downward red arrow, sell signal, upward blue arrow, buy signal. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. All right, now I'll recommend that you get your buy signals around support zones, so you can just decide to plot out, you know, important support zones, and when a buy signal occurs around a support zone, it adds to the validity, and then when you have a sell signal occur around a resistance zone, it adds to the validity. Okay, ensure that you always get your confirmations for better signals, and then always trade in the direction of the trend. For example, here we have a bearish trend. Now when you notice red arrows appearing in a bearish trend, that gives you better confidence, okay, because literally it's a sell trend, so you want to get sell opportunities right after pullbacks. All right, and then in the case of a bullish trend, you want to look out for buy opportunities right after pullbacks as well. Okay, so this is just it, guys. This is it. So when you want to enter a trade, wait for the signal to appear, then you can enter immediately after that candle closes or immediately after the signal appears. Then you can decide to exit perhaps at the next resistance zone. So that is for your exit of a buy trade. Then as for your exit of a sell trade, right after the arrow appears, you can enter your trade after the candle close, right after the arrow appears. And then as for your exit, you can actually target the next swing low, right? This is for a sell. You sell after your signal appears, and you exit after the price hits the next swing low or support zone. Then you buy after the signal appears, and you exit around the next supply zone or resistance zone. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Click the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on more valuable insights and videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.